This magic box holds the diesel heater. Diesel heater number 1. Diesel heater number 2, which was actually number 1. Came with a short in it. And it was a non-returnable item. But I went through the steps anyway on Amazon, and they refunded it. And with the refund, they said I didn't need to return the item, which is crazy. So we have that one in here, still not fixed. So I went back and forth with the company, and they even sent out another part, which we knew already it wasn't the right thing, but we played the game and said, oh, we tried it and it didn't work. And it still doesn't work. We still need to fix it. But guess what? Since they were not able to resolve it with us, they're sending another one, which is actually at the post office right now, but we have to wait until Monday to get it. So 3 for the price of 1. How do you like that?